Hi guys, good morning. Thank you for watching English Carabao. Ngayon, this is an urgent. Wala kasi magawa. So, why not make a vlog? This is regarding sa mga Filipino na nagtatrabaho sa abroad, na especially to those who are dealing with customers. Well, I work in the airport for more than a year, and I'm also dealing with different nationalities. So, this is just a reminder to all of you guys na, let's say, you know the word libak? Nililibak natin yung mga foreigners using our own language. For example, may lumapit na customer, tapos buisit ka, and then you speak lang Tagalog with your colleague. So, minsan, nakakabuisit yung ganun because you wouldn't know. Of course, Filipino is, yung Tagalog medyo a little bit common na with other foreigners, especially of course marami nga kasi mga katulong ng mga Pinoy sa amang panig ng mundo, and there's actually a chance for them to understand Tagalog, diba nga? So actually, like in my case, I experienced na makasalamuha with other foreigners, and they know how to speak Tagalog, especially those yung mga mura, ang ina mo pare, gago, and bad words like that. They knew it. So a reminder to everyone, especially if you're working abroad, please, guys, do not speak a Tagalog na galit ka doon sa customer mo o sa kung sino mang foreign na kaharap mo, because you wouldn't know marunong pala siyang magtagalog. Di ba? Well, actually, here in Dubai, a lot of Filipinos are doing that. And, well, I admit sometimes I'm doing it, but then I learned my lesson. Nasabi ko, one time, good thing in my experience kasi, it was a good remark to the customer I have. Sabi ko, ang ganda naman neto. And then she said, oh, I understand that, thank you. So ngayon, what if kung masama yung comment ko about her? So, delikado ako, di ba? So, I just wanted to share to everyone na, guys, please, kung magbibigay kayo ng hindi magandang comment about the person, especially in front of you, na foreigner, ingat kayo. You wouldn't know marunong magtagalog yan. Because I remember also nung nasa airport nga ako, there was this guy syempre, foreigner talaga siya. So, nung nakaharap ko, I talk in English, of course. It's a required na makipag-usap ka ng English sa kanila kasi nga foreigner. But then, sinagot niya ako ng straight Tagalog. So, ibig sabihin kasi, nakapag-asawa pala siya ng Pinay, matagal na siya sa Pilipinas, accent niya Pinoy na Pinoy. So, di ba mahirap yun? Na, baka mamaya let's say, medyo buraot yung customer, tapos, pagsalita ka ng hindi maganda, complain ka. Or baka masapak ka nang wala sa oras. Diba? Minsan kasi, like on my case, even other foreigners, let's say I go to a mall, and then, minsan may mga foreigner na mga staff doon. Sometimes, they speak in their own languages I don't understand, of course. Especially dito sa Dubai, there are some like Myanmars or Egyptians or Syrians or even Indians na staff o sales staff. So, nasa harapan nila ako, and then they're talking about something using their own language which I don't understand. Tapos nakatingin sa akin at ngumingiti-ngiti. Medyo offensive. Of course, even though I don't understand kung anong pinag-uusapan nila, but then why are they keep on, staring at me and laughing and smiling and all? So, nakakairita yung ganon. So, I have a feeling na ako yung pinag-uusapan nila. So, ang ginawa ko, lumayas ako dun. So, same case with Filipinos. I know, guys, I can observe sometimes that Filipinos are doing that also. Let's say, sobrang laki ng mata ng customer na lumapit, tayo nagtititigan and then tatawa while in front of them. Kahit hindi nila naintindihan yung yung language na ginagamit natin. Of course, meron silang, intuition nila is makukuha nila yung exactly what are you discussing about. So, kaya tip lang sa lahat ng mga Pilipino na please, guys, don't do that. Okay? Filipino, Tagalog. Hindi na ganoon ka sekretong lengguwahe ang Tagalog. Kasi nga, ang daming Pilipino sa buong mundo eh. Actually, even other nationalities knows how to speak salamat, mabuhay, and everything. So, yun lang po. Bye!